Are you still struggling with how to draw lines? This video will teach you how to draw auxiliary lines. First, we need to find the center of the pattern and the farthest point around. Center to surrounding points. Let's skip it. A total of 50 for squares. And we're going to count on the left. Also 50 for squares. If we are not sure, we will do it most of the time. After knowing the number of points, we're going to count 50 for squares from the center. Count from here. Note that we are counting pinholes. In this position, let's mark it with a water pen. The center point and the surroundings are marked. Then we find other spots. There are many large grids in the drawing. After painting them, we can get twice the result with half the effort by sewing and embroidering. Like here, the center point is one space away from the line on the left. That's 2 points. Right here, we draw the line with a pen of water. We move on to the drawings. After this line is drawn, we count to the left. Up to this line is 20. We're going to count the next ones, also 20. Then we go to the count points on the cloth. And on grid 20, we're going to write it with water. Then count 20 squares. And mark it. Other points are also counted on the drawing first, to the vertical point on the cloth. And mark it with a pen. So let's fast forward and take a look. So we're all tagged here. Now we draw the rest of the line. So here we have drawn the auxiliary line. Did you learn it?